Okay, right. So if we look at the first case, which is case 0 over 0, okay, let's look at a simple example, which is limit x approaching 3, x minus 3, then x cubed minus 27. Alright, so if you see, okay, yang ni 3 you ganti atas, you're going to get 0. Bawah pun going to get 0. So it's case 0 over 0. So tindakan dia apa? You kena factorize. Memang you have to factorize. Okay, so here, what you need to take note is, long division is a must. Okay, so macam mana long division ni we going to do? Okay, so if you see right, kat bawah ni, you went and ganti x equal to 3, right? So x equal to 3 gives you 0. So x sama dengan 3 is what we call sebagai root. So when you have x equal to 3 is a root, x minus 3 is a factor. So I already know one of the factor dekat bawah, which is x minus 3. Tolong jangan tengok this guy. Okay, our agenda here is I want to factorize this guy. Bawah ni saya nak factorize. So my entire focus is just the bawah. So you ganti 3, you get 0. So x equal to 3 is a root. X minus 3 is a factor. So now what I want to do? I want to do long division. Okay, how to do long division? Okay, so you take x cubed minus 27. Okay, so you're going to go and put like this. X cubed. I don't have x square, so I'm going to go and put 0x square. I don't have x, I'm going to go and put 0x minus 27. Okay, sekarang x minus 3 di luar. Okay, so I'm going to do long division. So you tengok, I want to kurangkan the x cubed. So what times x, I'm going to get x cubed. So that is just going to be x square. So x square times x going to be x cubed. Lepas tu x square times negative 3 going to get minus 3x square. Hope you are clear until there. Of course, when I want to do long division, I will minus. So x cube gone. 0 minus negative 3. So that's going to give me 3x square positive. Please tekan calculator. And then I'm going to bring the 0x ke bawah. Sekarang I ask myself, what I times x, I'm going to get 3x square. So obviously it's going to become 3x. So 3x times x, we're going to get 3x square. Lepas tu minus 9x. And then I minus. So now the x square going to go 0 minus negative 9. That is going to be 9x. Then I bring the 27 down. So I want to kill the 9x masuk tambah 9. So 9x minus 27. There you go, 0 remainder. So apa yang kita tahu adalah we can use the idea from here. 6 bahagi 2 is 3. So 3 times 2 I get 6. So now yang kat bawah tu, okay, it's just the x square plus 3x plus 9 times with x minus 3. You're going to get x cubed minus 27. So I can go and write it as limit x approaching 3. Atas I maintain, nothing doing. So bawah tu x minus 3 times with x square plus 3x plus 9. Hope you are clear up until there. Okay, normally a lot of students, they make careless mistake begini. Okay, so tengok atas ada x minus 3. Sudah cancel. Please take note, kat atas tu, you still got 1. A lot of students, what they do is, they forgot to put the 1 and suddenly the fraction disappears. So now you can evaluate. Okay, you can evaluate. I write this down again. So 1 over x square plus 3x plus 9. So go and ganti 3. You must show this step, you know. So 3 square plus 3, then plus 9. Ini step kena tunjuk. The moment you sudah ganti x, you tak payah tulis limit anymore. So that is going to be 1 over 27. So nice and easy, right? Okay, hope you enjoyed that.